What's going on, my fellow Mustang lovers, and welcome to episode number 4 of the Mach 1 Mustang series. Now, this one's just going to be short, simple, nothing crazy. What we're actually going to do is take a look and find out what's in the trunk, what's in the glove box, and just take a look at some other little small things with the car. I want to take a look at the VIN, and I've been doing some research online, and I want to find out if this is a true Mach 1. So hopefully you guys can still get into the shorter videos as well. Not all of them are going to be as juicy and exciting and jam-packed with crazy things that we're doing to the Mustang. Like I said, this one's just going to be kind of short. Let me see if we can actually get the key for the trunk and the glove box, if any of these actually fit and work. Now, I haven't taken a look in either one of these. I don't know if this is going to be something crazy or if it's going to be, there might not be anything in here. I wanted to wait and experience it with you guys just in case, because you never know. I've got 4 different keys for this thing. I'm guessing it's maybe the round one. So we'll take a look at the trunk first and see what's in here. Is it going to be anything crazy? Let's find out. Most likely not. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Not too much work happening on the Mustang today. It's just so muddy and wet around here. That's it. Boom. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. What's in the trunk of the 1970 Mach 1 Mustang? Here we go. Cue the music. Okay, definitely probably not anything too exciting. Let's see. Oh, man, there's such a glare and a shadow on it. Spare tire, old one, very old one. We could kind of also take a look here and see how solid this might be. Well, my hand didn't go through it, so that's kind of nice. The gas tank doesn't look too old. Maybe, just judging by the way this looks, which it's been covered. It's in the trunk, so I don't know how much you can really judge off of that. Man, this sun is just brutal. Are these hubcaps? I mean, these don't... Okay, no, I'm crazy. Again, I'm still learning, guys. I don't... Maybe off of old wheels that it had on it or something. Because, yeah, there's even like some lug nuts in there. Okay, yeah, maybe it had something else on it in the past and they're just sitting in here. Some kind of little plate. Wow, yeah, not a whole lot here. Some jumper cables, some very, very old ones. Let's see if we can move that spare tire out of the way. Nothing back over there. Yeah, just some old dirty jumper cables. So really, nothing back here. Nothing in the trunk other than just some old stuff. So let's go ahead and shut that up. Maybe the glove box will be more exciting, but you never know. You didn't know what we might find there. There might have been a suitcase with $100,000 in there, right? One can dream, one can hope, right? I'm sure there have been people that have found cars and found something crazy in it. Another thing I wanted to look at that I didn't think of until someone actually mentioned it in the comment section. I had a lot of people tell me that there's no way this car sat for 35 or 40 years. I was guesstimating a little bit, just doing the math in my head. 35 to 40 years just kind of made sense. And I thought about something after someone mentioned it. The license plate. Hopefully you guys can see it. The last time that this thing had tags renewed was 1988. So that's going to be 33 years. Yeah, I think about 33 years. Now, that doesn't even mean that it was on the road. My dad sometimes would renew tags on vehicles, and just to be honest with you, it would still just sit. So somewhere between 33 to 35 years was the last time potentially this thing was on the road. So I was close. I was guesstimating 35 to 40, maybe a little high, but about 33 to 35. And then some other people were also asking about these tires on the back because they are beefy. I'm sure you've noticed the stance on this thing. It looks mean from behind, and these tires, it's almost, to me, it's almost laughable how crazy they look, but I guess that's a look you'd go for, right? So I had several people ask me what size these actually were. Let's see if we can rub this off. These are P275 60B15s. And then also, I had a lot of people tell me these wheels are American racing wheels, which we found that out from the logo on the middle here. But apparently they're also sometimes called daisies, and I actually think I prefer that. I think I'm going to call them daisies from now on. So that was a pretty cool fact that you guys filled me in on. And these front tires, they're also pretty darn beefy. I think too beefy. I mean, is this normal, or is this sagging from where it sat for so long? Because I don't even know how much you could turn this wheel. There's such a small gap there. Let's see if we can find the size on these. Yeah, here we go. So maybe you can see it. These are P215 75R15s. They look so bulky in the front. I mean, I kind of dig the look, but I don't really know. So let's do one other thing here as well. Two things, actually. We're gonna look in the glove box. As I said, this is gonna be a shorter video, and let's check the VIN. Hopefully you guys can see it. Luckily, I do have the title in my name now, so it'd be much easier if I just looked at the title, but we'll see if we can see it right here. So what I want from you guys, and hello, you guys can see me in the reflection, is confirmation if anyone can verify this for sure. Man, it's kind of hard to see that. You guys probably aren't gonna be able to see it. I'll read part of it out loud. I only need to read part of it because here's what I've been told. I've been told if the third and fourth numbers are 05, that this would be a true Mach 1. Now, some of you may say, well, obviously it's a true Mach 1 because of this or because of that, but there are some people telling me that it might not be. Again, I don't know for sure how that works with the body and different things like that. I know you can get kits and you can modify things, make them look like something that they're not, but this VIN reads, like I said, I know you guys probably can't see it, 0T05. So that the 05, from what I'm told, means it's a true Mach 1, right? Please, somebody let me know down in the comment section. 0T05. So if that info is correct, then she's a true Mach 1. I'd be super pumped about that. I think it is anyways, honestly. I don't know why my dad would have made something like that up. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do in this short video is take a look in the glove box, see if there's anything crazy in there. As I said, this one maybe, not that it's not exciting. If you love old Mustangs, I feel like looking at anything on this car is exciting. I'm like that. Sometimes I come over here and just open it up, sit in it, look at it, because I love this stuff, right? And this car means so much to me. Aha, so you can just push it. I'm guessing it, all that trouble. I guess it can lock, maybe? Or maybe that is just a button. Okay, so let's see. This, wow, that is so tiny. So there really wouldn't be the possibility for a lot of things to be in there. What's even the point of this? I guess you could put a couple little papers in here, maybe your insurance and that good stuff. Let's see what this is. Something for a bank. Some kind of papers in here. We'll set that out on the hood and then we'll take a look at it here in a second. Man, it looks like it's just going to be a bunch of little knickknacks, bulbs, washers. Hey, like I said, you never know, right? There could have been anything in here. It's sat here for over 30 years. Just nuts and bolts, maybe some fuses. Man, okay, well, you never know. We didn't know for sure unless we checked. We'll see what this paper is, and I guess we're gonna call it a day. I wish that it had a door panel for the driver's side over there. I was hoping maybe there would have been some parts in the trunk, or you know, somewhere here in the car, but just that extra clock is the only thing that's in there. I don't anticipate this being anything too exciting. I mean, it's a piece of paper, so. All right, sorry about that, guys. The battery actually died in the GoPro. But as I said, again, probably have to blur it out, but application for certificate of title and registration shows that when my dad did this, the odometer was at 18,461 miles in this thing. Paid $27 for the certificate of title and the registration, but I can't really show much of that on camera because that has his old address and information and stuff on it. But I guess that's kind of a cool find of something to find in there. Don't really know, as I said, what I expected necessarily, which I just noticed everyone mentioned that this thing would have a hood scoop on it, and definitely so. You can see where it would mount there. Unfortunately, that's gone, but the whole thing needs to be rebuilt anyways. I don't know why I'm even mentioning that or making a big deal, but that's going to be it for this video, episode number 4 in the Mustang series. I am still going to upload it just because I want to document this entire process, even the small things. So like I said, some videos will be more exciting than others, but I'll try to make all of them at least 8 to 15 minutes long, so there's some content there to watch. Next time, what I plan on doing is probably pressure washing this thing and possibly stripping some stuff out of the inside. So episode number 5 is going to be some really good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the progress of this Mustang. It's going to be a fun ride. It's going to be a long one. This is probably going to be years in the making, but we're going to do what we can to make this thing happen. And thank you for all the positive comments. And just leave something for this video. Just leave a memory or something you have about a Mustang that you had, whether it be an older one or a newer one. I've had 5 Mustangs total in my life. This one makes number 6. I do love Mustangs, and I'm guessing that since you're here, you probably do too. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.